September is National Preparedness Month, and Arlington County is trying to get everybody to be prepared. We have a very special week coming up, and that's September the 23rd through the 29th. We would like everybody in the county, businesses, visitors, people who live here, school children, everybody, to do something towards preparedness during that week. Then we want them to tell us about it. It can be something simple like checking their go bag. If they don't have a go bag, putting together the beginnings of a go bag. It could be downloading our new mobile app for preparedness, Arlington Prepares. Most of the time, sheltering in place and waiting to get more information is the best course of action.
For more information, go to sites.arlingtonva.us/OEM and take the pledge to be prepared.